This is Patrick Sullivan with the reRVA real estate team, here today at our latest model at the Creek's Edge subdivision at Stony Point Fashion Park. These new homes are by Moneymaker Properties. Let's go take a look at this modern take on a craftsman home. When you enter this home, you can really tell that a lot of emphasis went into having that clean, open, big, spacious floor plan with lots of light. We can tell by all the finishes that the emphasis has been on something that's going to be a little more timeless, even though it's a modern take on some of those more traditional finishes, traditional craftsmanship that you see in many of the arts and crafts style homes. The open concept floor plan really gives you great flow, and it all focuses on the back wall where we see the fireplace flanked by 2 French doors overlooking the protected landscape behind. You get that feeling of being in a private space, even though you're within a gated community that's low maintenance. The primary suite is one of my favorite spaces in the home. That primary bathroom with the solid glass wall, double vanities, darker spaces, it's really a spa sanctuary for homeowners. Creek's Edge feels like its own unique resort, a gated community that's meticulously maintained, so close to downtown Richmond, its own private pool. It's unique in the Central Virginia market.